Unit 2, Tape Script 2.1. Countries.
Australia, Brazil, Egypt, China, England, France, Italy, Hungary, Japan, Russia, Spain, the United States.
Tape Script 2.2.
Where are you from, Mika?
I'm from Japan. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain, from Barcelona.
Tape Script 2.3.
His name's Pablo. He's from Spain. Her name's Mika. She's from Japan.
Tape Script 2.4. Where's he from? 1.
His name's Kevin. He's from the United States.
2.
His name's Laszlo. He's from Hungary.
3.
Her name's Karima. She's from Egypt.
4.
Her name's Tatiana. She's from Russia.
5.
Her name's Rosalie. She's from Brazil.
6.
His name's Simon. He's from England.
7.
His name's Yong. He's from China.
8.
Her name's Hayley. She's from Australia.
Tape Script 2.5.
What's his name? Where's he from?
What's her name? Where's she from?
Tape Script 2.6. Cities and countries.
Where's Barcelona?
It's in Spain.
Where's Beijing?
It's in China.
Where's Moscow?
It's in Russia.
Where's Cairo?
It's in Egypt.
Where's Los Angeles?
It's in the United States.
Where's Sao Paulo?
It's in Brazil.
Where's Sydney?
It's in Australia.
Where's Tokyo?
It's in Japan.
Where's Budapest?
It's in Hungary.
Where's London?
It's in England.
Tape Script 2.7. Questions and answers.
Hello, I'm Rosalie. What's your name?
My name's Bruno.
Hello, Bruno. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Brazil too. I'm from São Paulo.
Really? I'm from São Paulo too.
Oh, nice to meet you, Bruno.
Tape Script 2.8. 1.
Hello, I'm Claudio. I'm from Italy.
Hello, Claudio. I'm Akemi from Japan.
2.
Hello, my name's Charles. What's your name?
Hi, Charles. I'm Bud. I'm from the United States. Where are you from?
I'm from London, in England.
Oh, right. I'm from Chicago.
3.
Hi, I'm Loretta.
I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Hi, Loretta. I'm Jason. I'm from Australia too.
Oh, wow! Are you from Sydney?
No, I'm from Melbourne.
Tape script 2.9. Questions and answers. 1.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
2.
What's her name?
Her name's Tatiana.
3.
What's his name?
His name's Bruno.
4.
Where's he from?
He's from Sao Paulo.
5.
What's this in English?
It's a computer.
6.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
7.
Where's Montreal?
It's in Canada.
Tape script 2.10. Where are they from?
This is a photograph of Claude and Holly Duval from Montreal in Canada. They're on holiday in New York City. Holly's from Canada and Claude's from France. They're married. Holly's a teacher. Her school is in the centre of Montreal. Claude's a doctor. His hospital is in the centre of Montreal too.
Tape script 2.11. 1.
Oh no, look at the weather.
Ugh, it's awful.
2.
Wow! Look at my hamburger. It's fantastic.
My hamburger is really good too.
3.
What's this building?
It's the Empire State Building. It's fantastic.
4.
Wow, look at Central Park.
It's beautiful.
Tape script 2.12. Numbers 11 to 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Tape script 2.13. Numbers 21 to 30.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Tape script 2.14. 1,
12,
2,
16,
3,
9,
4,
17,
5.
23.
Tape script 2.15. 1,
This is little Becky. She's 2.
2,
Her name's Naomi. She's 7.
3,
He's Nathan. He's 15 tomorrow.
4,
How old is she? She's 26.
5,
This is Jeremy. He's 29, nearly 30.